Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Models Biography. Today we are talking about Gaby De Paula. Gaby was born in Brazil. She is Brazilian model and Instagram star. She is famous because of her stunning appearance and charming smile with massive followers on social media. Gaby De Paula journey into the modeling world began at a young age. Her natural talent and striking features attract the attention of local photographers, which eventually led to her first photo shoots. Since her first post, she attracted users with her bright smile, expressive eyes, and easy poses. Her flexibility as a model is marked by her ability to switch easily between different styles from casual chic to glamorous high fashion. She is a private woman who does not want to share about her personal matters and mental life. There is no information available about her boyfriend and dating history. She has an estimated net worth of around $1 lakh to $1 million. She has earned this sum of wealth from modeling, brand promotions, and Instagram stars.